Okay, hi. Thanks for sharing your plan. I've got it open in my copy of Home Designer Pro 2019. I see that you've got the roof return here and not here. And the thing you have to understand about cheap architects and home designers, automatic tools, sometimes they don't work. And this is a perfect example. Now, I'm going to go back to plan and check and make sure that the roof planes are properly located. It looks like they are. I'm looking at the, oh, this is wrong. See this roof base line here, this line here, that should be right here, not where you have it. So I'm going to click on this roof plane and then use the point-to-point move tool, left click, and move. Okay, you've got auto build roofs on. Now, why this is off angle, I'm not quite sure. The wall's straight, but the roof is not correct. And that's the reason, well, that may be the reason why this is goofy. I'm going to move that dimension out of the way. I'm going to turn off auto rebuild roofs. Okay, that's off. And then click on this, point-to-point move, left click, move the baseline from out here in space where it is to over here on the wall where that's where it's supposed to be. Now you've got the overhang set to, let me go back to the build roof dialog. It's 18, okay. So this is, I can't tell where that automatic dimension is measuring from. This, yeah, that should be 18. So you can't really set the overhang accurately if the baselines are mislocated. I'm going to rejoin these two roofs here. So we're not getting the fascia is mismatched for some reason. So let's, yeah, it's 1/16 and 9/16 to the baseline height. See what this one is. Well, they're the same. Wonder why that's not working properly. Check this one. Oops, got the dimension instead. 1/16 and 9/16, 99 and 5/16, 99. Okay, those are all correct. See, the face top height's wrong here. The baseline's correct. Let's see, this is 8. What pitch is this one? 12. Okay, they're different. They're different pitches, so the overhangs are not going to be equal then. So I just have to make that shorter. I'm going to reconnect these edges because I moved some of those other roof planes. Okay, we'll reconnect the ridge because that's changed a little bit. I'm just going to see if this little action here will straighten up that eave. If there's anything askew, then those automatic tools just won't work. Okay, this is still working. There's the baseline right where it's supposed to be. So I don't know why that's not generating. You've got this wall programmed for a roof return. Roof. Full. Oh, full. I see. Full. That's different than what I thought. Now, sometimes I can go up here to the wall above and set it in the wall above, and that'll get it to appear. Let's see if that helps. Full. No, we want full return. I marked it partial return earlier. Okay, it's still not working. What's that little artifact there? Oh, that's a stair or something sticking through the roof. That's another video. So what can you do? You want a full return here and it's not giving you one. Well, I'll show you what you can do. I'm going to go to this wall and turn off, go to the roof tab and turn that off. And go down to the first floor and turn it off. Because it's not working, so there's no reason to have it on. So we'll go here, roof. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, that got rid of the returns. There's no returns now. So I'm going to draw one manually. And this is 12, I think. Yeah, 12. So I'm going to go to the build roof dialog and set the pitch to 12. I'm not going to automatically build any roof planes, but this will set the pitch for any manual roof planes that I build. So I'm going to click on that tool and then left click and drag with my cursor right there on the edge of the framing, and I'll slant it in this direction. Now I'm not going to leave it like that because, you know, it's sticking through your wall and so forth. That was just to get it created. Now I'm going to pull it down just outside the wall here. There, go back to the overview. See, so we have that. And I want to make sure that this roof plane, 1/16 and 9/16, matches this one. And it doesn't. So I'm going to put the radio button in here in the pitch input box and change this to change that to 9/16 and change this to 1/16 to match the other roof planes. Just going to move it slightly. Now I'm going to go back to plan, and I'm going to take this over here and put it on the corner and stretch this one out at a kind of a 45-degree angle to the end here. Show you what that does. Go back to the camp overview. Okay, let's tilt that, make sure that it's not, okay, it's coming together pretty cleanly, but, although but let me check the fascia top, 105 and 3/16, so I'm going to copy that. We want the fascia tops to match on this kind of a thing, so I'm going to take this, lock the pitch, and then lift it up so that it matches. That's better. Now I'm going to do this side like I did the other side. Take this out to the corner, snap it right there, and then grab this edge, pull it out there. But that dialog that came up, I just ignored it because I don't find it useful. There's your return. So you don't have to depend solely on automatic tools. You can also, especially in Pro, just step in and manually do things that you want to do. And sometimes you have to, like in this case. Now, that stair, it's not going to work there because it's going through the roof. That's another problem for you to solve. But there's your roof return. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Have a good day.